I've been a solution engineer for 10 years, and I see this all the time. Let's say an employee needs to communicate something time-sensitive to her colleague Jacob in a satellite office and spends unnecessary effort trying to connect on a common communication platform. Since Jacob isn't using the same instant message software that she's using in her office, she turns to the phone only to leave a voicemail. With precious time passing, Monique follows up with an email to Jacob. Finally, Jacob sees it after checking all his different communication platforms. It happens all too often. Organizations struggle to communicate with different technology at all locations. Countless hours of productivity are lost. Not only do end users have trouble making the disparate technology work, but we have system administrators working to maintain the system on-premise to keep it humming along, hoping nothing goes wrong. We have to ask ourselves, is this where we want our folks spending their time, or would we rather have them work on core aspects of the business that generate revenue and keep it running? Not to mention, if one of your employees were to leave, you run the risk of your customers leaving with them because maybe they've just been calling their cell phone instead of the DID that you own. It doesn't matter if your company is 10 people with one location or 10,000 people spread across the globe. We can come in, take a look at your environment, and find the best fitting unified communication solution.